Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel, subscribers, and I don't know the thing said, bless. Hoping having a wonderful day today, but you know my thing, one bag I want to know one, I gotta give you them updates on the people on the see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with Jada Kingdom, because it's like, listen to me when me attack. You know, I mean the incredible boss, you feel me? And ever since Jada Kingdom and Burna Boy, you know, came public with their relationship, you know, the exes have been moving salty. We see that Steph London come out and, you know, show some subliminals in her IG story. But she since have, you know, retracted and said, I know, you know, Jada, she attack. You know what I mean? Boy, and now we're seeing Jada Kingdom ex, or one of her exes, Versi, throwing some subliminal stuff in his IG story. Now, if you've been following me, you know I've been saying, you know, Versi has been quite quiet since, you know, the rumors went viral that Jada and Burna Boy is dating, because he's always so vocal, you know, with her other relationships. And I mean, for example, Nas EBK. you know, basically calling him broke and all of these stuff. It's and you know, making fun of Jada and them, you know, buying each other, you know, Cartier watches and all of these things and things. And I mean, well, people, it look like say he's broken his silence, and it look like say this is the most wickedest this Jada Kingdom ever get. Yeah. So he reposted a viral video that 50 Cent posted on his channel. I think this lady is from the Cayman Islands, or one of the islands. She's not Jamaican, but nevertheless, he captioned it saying, yes, stop F broke man, but also if you a broke woman, you must stop throwing that broke coochie to every ninja. And I mean, that got money and get up and own, you know, a bag, so you never need a man for money. You see what I say? Now, even though he's correct in what he says, you know, because that's why the lady was, you know, thumping up her, you know, Tony and all of these things, saying, boy, but we know at Jada in my talk. You see what I say? Because Jada ain't got no money, let's be honest. He's the one that bought out her contract from Pop Style Record and got her signed to Republic Records. But, you know, he ate the advanced money, you know, and bought a crib in his name and all of these stuff. So Jada's back to square one. I guess she's just, I don't know if she's still signed to his label, but I guess she's selling that cat for $35,000 a pop, if you know what I mean. Anyway, put in the comment section what do you think he's saying. Do you think this is a subliminal towards Jada, or he's just talking in general based on what the lady was saying in the video? Yeah, let's proceed to the next. Now, we need to talk about this Rygin King situation, because, you know, say a lot of females was mad at me for saying that he, you know, allegedly beat his baby moms, you know, with that thing. And, you know, him son teeth get busted. And then I say, obviously he didn't touch his baby mother. But they're not even mad at the fact that he allegedly pulled out the hammer on her, which caused their son to drop and bust him teeth. And I mean, his actions, you know, caused her to react, and that's what happened. You feel me? It's not a good look pulling out them things that on the mother of your children or on another human being. Given the fact that thing put him where he's at right now. You see me, I say, boy. Me tell you about some people, you know, I don't, you know, that's why I'm not sorry for some of them, you know. You know what I mean? But let me not talk about that. People, I don't know what's going on with Rygin King. I don't know if this is a publicity stunt. Because, you know, say, you know, Muse Cartel and all of these people the other day, you know. We don't even know how old this dentist teeth business is, you know what I mean? I check this IG story, seeing if he's going to respond, because, you know, he's been responding to things lately surrounding his name. But all I see is music in the IG story. So I don't know if this is a publicity stunt. You see me, I say, You know, a lot of fans have been, you know, looking at him sideways since he's put out this dark image all of a sudden. You know what I mean? I don't want to say he's giving up on life, but it looked like, you know, him done with praying. You know what I mean? And he's just going to accept it for what it is. It's as you know, in the video, she said that, um, she asked them, why her son, teeth fall out and all of these things, and that's when them pull off the thing and point it on all of these things and the baby trap. You see me, I say, so. That's like giving that update while going for that to go on, put in the comment section what do you think about that. You see me, I say, let's proceed. And before I forget, when did this alleged crime take place? Just see me, I say, is this in Jamaica? Is Rygin, a licensed firearm owner? Someone says should the FLA investigate, should the JCF investigate? It's said, put in the comment section, did this go down in America? And do migrants from Jamaica who don't have I don't want to say, how do I say this, no stay in America, are they allowed to, carry that thing around? It's a whole lot of questions. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Well, people, it look like Huey is one step closer to knowing if he is indeed the father of Ivany's child. You see, Ivany just came from the doctor, and she knows what she's having. Well, she didn't open up the envelope yet. Well, she did, you know what I mean? And she's planning on having a gender reveal party July 15th or July 30th. So let's take a listen to what she has to say, and then we'll proceed.
Hey, Tasia, what's up? No, I'm a band-aid. Let me take off. I'm coming. I want it stick. This is my gender reveal. I'm not gonna open it. We finna have a gender reveal party on TikTok, July 30. Yes. So now stay tuned and come out for the party. I'll be making the poster and a video. I made the poster today and I make one video about how it will go down or whatever. Make sure you did it. And this are the doll. And to the screenshot. Why do you two eyes look like my favorite father? I can't bother. That stress me out. So that are going right now. Not John's shop. I was saying that movie. I got nothing easy, Yet, Sage, I'm excited to see. I'm excited, but man, I would like my wig. My wig got nice wig, Nice synthetic wig. Go on, yeah. Fit my little face. Team girl. Team boy for me. I don't know why everybody like girl. I like boy, baby. Yeah, I have a frame. I'm gonna put it in the frame, but I tell you, say, I'm anxious to pull it later. I swear to you, I'm anxious, but I can't do it. Kind of make the sense to pull it now and then go keep gender reveal, and then I can't go act surprise because I know already, so I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. So funny, and I got peep on it. No, I swear. Me nah look. Me nah peep, man. It attempt me to pull it, but me nah pull it.
It's a good look. People put in the comment section, what do you think, baby Ice is going to be? A boy or a girl? Let's proceed to the next. No, the last mixed up for the day is, you guessed it, the Pirates and the Colonists offsprings. And them boys say puppets, JLP and PLP and JCF, taking you, the people, the African slave descendants, for fools once again. Because as you can see, the chief traffic cop is unaware of FA's red light video. We all seen the viral video, so it doesn't make no sense of me playing it, but come on, people. We know all these people in Jamaica don't work. Yes, the JCF them is very lazy. You know, I mean, not all of them, but let's be honest, all of them that on social media know what go on for not to go on. Listen, man, I say, and if it was L.A. Lewis, then would have been lock him up like they did the other day for running, the toll thing. You feel me? Oh boy, and that is owned by the Chinese until the debt is paid off. But the light that Mr. Vaz allegedly ran through is you know what guessed it. You see me I say. Anyway, people, me not long on that, no longer this again an update while going for not to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we do drop the latest. Bless.